What are you eating?
Mama.
Popcorn?
Mama.
Walmart? What do you got? You got hot dogs and popcorn and oranges? Is it yummy? Yummy. Hey, what's your name? Ties. Where's Mommy? Where's Brother? What are you watching on TV? What show is that? Sesame Street. Good job. Where's Elmo?
No.
You don't know? Here he is? Okay. Elmo. You want to finish eating?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.